On top inside Edo today, Edo state government and police don start better plans to take back kidnappers wey dey operate for major roads. Edo state government and Edo state police command don collabo begin Ogbonge plans when dem go take back kidnappers wey dey operate for major roads. And na dis one na make wey dem don begin dey clear the bush wey dey for roadside so that crime go reduce. Edo State Commissioner of Police Dan Malam Mohammed tell Tori pipo wen e waka go inspect the bush wey dem don already dey clear, say dem go clear the bush reach 30 meters from both sides for Ore for Benin-Lagos road. The Commissioner of Police tok say dem see am say kidnappers dey use the forest wey near the road take dey kidnap pipo. Na im make wey police dey clear the bush with Edo State government support so that dem go dey see the forest well in case kidnappers wan run come out for inside. He tok say police go dey do patrol, dey go the deep part of the forest every day to make sure say dem destroy the kidnappers camp and so that security go dey tight for Benin-Lagos express road. The police oga tok say state police command don first go raid the forest and dem destroy all the place where the kidnappers dey stay for inside the bush before dem begin dey clear the bush. And dem don start to dey clear the forest since 2 weeks so that dem go fit pursue all the kidnappers comot for Edo State.
The purpose of this exercise, it was observed that the bandits take advantage of the thick forest along the major highway. They always launch some sort of guerrilla warfare tactics. They will come and attack, pick people, enter forest. Most time we rescue a lot of people. Today, what we can see with the collaboration of the Edo State government under the leadership of His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, who will approach about clearing of the bushes along the road. He approved it. You can see what is happening. Both sides, they are going to make sure that the bush is cleared about 30 to 40 meters away from the main road. This will give us a proper view. Whenever they are coming out, we can see them and we can counter them. But beyond this, we are going inside the bush on daily basis to ensure that all their camps are being destroyed. And this is the purpose of this operation, to assure the members of public that they can go about their normal businesses without any fear of intimidation.
Drivers wey dey run the Benin-Lagos road wey see as dem don dey clear the bush come dey salute police and Edo State government wey dem take put this Ogbonge plan for ground to take do check on top kidnapping for Edo State.
We drivers would like to protest because before we are fear of the police, we are fear of the police. So we know where to find the police. So now we get back to the police. And we like that people come out and that's very good.
One truck driver, Moses Osato, tok say this one na Ogbonge idea to take pursue kidnappers comot for Benin-Lagos road so that dem no go dey disturb road users again.
If they will continue doing it like this, it's not the question of harassing maybe passengers or drivers. Let them do their real work. Yeah. It will be okay for both Nigeria, not only for Edo State. It's alarming. I've never seen something like this. It's Edo State that has been like this. It's very good. But I hope they will continue like this.
Mrs. Fumi come still salute this security matter and she talks say make dem continue to declare the bush because it go still grow again.
You will not just stop your problem. You will not clear it and just go and sit. You will clear it and then send your men down to begin to continue to watch so that these people don't fall into the pool of dwelling. Yeah. It's a very good development if we can continue.
This bush when police declare so go expose where kidnappers they stay for Ovia Northeast and Ovia Southwest local councils where they for Benin-Lagos expressway. Now so we see this Ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State government and Edo State police command don begin dey clear all the bush where they for major roads for Edo State to take pursue kidnappers comot for we state. Make una know say this Ogbonge informate na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of this Ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media.